Automatic ba na sa borrower and co-borrower nakapangalan yung title ng bahay if not married? So this is a question by Natalie J. To answer your question, yes. Pag sinabing co-borrower, equal rights kayo nung principal buyer. So actually, you don't have to get married to get a property together. So if you're an LGBT couple, or mag-girlfriend at boyfriend pa lang kayo, or nasa engagement pa lang kayo, and gusto nyo na magpundar ng property together para may lilipatan kayo or investment in the future once that you're married or have a rental business, or para sa mga anak nyo na mag-aaral for college or high school. At kahit magkapatid kayo, pwede kayo maging mag-co-borrower if you want to invest in your family's dream home. So wala naman talaga tayo masyadong restriction in terms of kung sino lang ba ang pwede maging co-borrower. Pero keep in mind that you have equal rights over the